Hey guys, this is Julie. It is Monday, May 27th. Markets are closed. It is Memorial Day. So I wanted to get this video posted to let you know that I've made a few changes to the templates again. I've got triggers now going to be what used to be the BBA1, and I'm using that top part from everything on that top part of the template that you've currently got. And then the bottom part I've taken off and created brand new templates, one for Crude and one for the NQ of that opening range BloodHound solvers. So I'm separating the opening range from that BBA1. Um, so we'll have triggers for the first, what used to be BBA1, rename that triggers. And then now we've got the opening range for the NYMEX RTH session or the CME US Equity Index Futures RTH session templates. Here is the crude market, and this is the Globex solver from it, which shows you pretty much in a nutshell what we're trying to accomplish with this opening range indicator. And that is, if you're trading outside the overnight range, you want to start getting signals for the Globex solver. If you are shooting to trade, wait for that 60-minute range to go outside of that only. You will want to use the 60-minute range, and a lot of the institutional traders will use that 1 hour initial balance, so that's why we have that on here. I've also got a 30-minute range. That way we can split the baby, get in a little bit early on some of these moves. It didn't really work out. That would have been a scratch or a small loss. Best, I guess, to wait for either trading a 1 minute range breakout or the Globex. There you go. Globex probably be better for us to trade sometimes when we're looking for those directional moves. And taking this down and looking at the 23rd in particular, you can see that you can spot these right off. I've got the template set up now so that you get that 1 minute opening range, so you can eyeball that. And if you're below that 1 minute range, you want to go low. And if you're above that 1 minute range, you want to go high. And that 1 minute range high reversal is a gap run, because there's your close right there. That would have been a gap run. And I also have a solver in here for gap run. So there was no gap run on the 23rd, so that's why we don't have a signal there. But if you do get that reversal in the direction from the open towards that prior close, I've got a solver already set up for us to trade those gap runs. So that's pretty cool. Other than that, we'll probably want to stay with our 1 minute range outside expansion opportunities on the template. Or like I said, you can trade that 30-minute breakout, 60-minute range breakout, or Globex breakout. Template is set up and ready to work. So I'm very excited to get this out to you guys. I'll get that out to you tomorrow morning or the next day. I'm working on finalizing some documentation for it. So it may be a day or two, but you'll be getting new templates. We'll be using it in the trade room tomorrow going forward. So just FYI. Let me show you the daily real quick for Crude, because it is really nice to be able to use these Crude default day, the LRT lines indicator, particularly because we see that we're at the LR1 and bouncing. So this downtrend might be over. We are really in an uptrend. So we got a little bit over our skis for that move down, but this might be turning around soon, just FYI. All right, make sure we watch this on the 60-minute counter trend, 60-minute to the trend filter, and the 15 minutes already found the trend filter, just found it. So we'll watch Globex overnight and see which way if they close that counter trend, and then we can make the trend continuation in the RTH. That would be sweet. Not let Globex get it all. And we will see you in the trade room tomorrow. All right. Take care, guys. Thank you so much.